Imagine walking into your living room, turning on your television, and realizing that every single streaming device you have ever owned has been lying to you. For years, the major players in the entertainment industry have conditioned us to accept a baseline standard of mediocrity. We bought the cheap streaming sticks, we used the clunky, slow software built directly into our smart televisions, and we convinced ourselves that the compressed, washed-out video and delayed audio tracking were just normal parts of the modern digital viewing experience. We tolerated the laggy menus, the constant buffering, the aggressive advertising plastered across our home screens, and the remotes that felt like cheap plastic toys. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We thought we were experiencing high-definition home theater. We were completely wrong. What is quietly happening behind the scenes of your home entertainment system isn't just a minor technical bottleneck. It is an absolute compromise of your visual and auditory senses. And Apple just decided to end that compromise permanently. This is the new era of premium home entertainment, anchored by the latest evolution of the Apple TV 4K. And it is about to change how you look at a screen forever. To understand why this sleek, silent black box is causing a massive panic among traditional cable providers and budget streaming competitors alike, you have to look past the deceptive minimalism of its physical footprint. This is not just a device meant to launch applications. It is a full-scale Trojan horse for your living room, packing the kind of raw architectural processing power that most modern laptops struggle to compete with. For the longest time, the tech world viewed streaming boxes as simple, low-power pass-through devices. They were designed cheaply because their only job was to pull a compressed data stream from a distant server and spit it onto your display. Apple completely rejected this philosophy. By injecting advanced, desktop-grade silicon processing cores directly into the heart of the Apple TV 4K, they have transformed the living room hub into an absolute powerhouse capable of real-time computational audio and visual reconstruction. Think about the sheer cognitive frustration of navigating a standard smart television interface. You press a button on your remote, and there is a noticeable, irritating split-second delay before the cursor moves. You click on a streaming platform, and you are forced to stare at a spinning loading wheel while the app struggles to organize its internal memory. The new Apple TV 4K destroys this friction entirely. Operating on a hyper-optimized architecture, the system navigation is shockingly fluid. Apps do not merely open, they instantly snap into existence. Timelines scrub back and forth with zero buffering, and switching between a high-end graphic game, a live television stream, and a Dolby Vision movie happens with the exact same instantaneous speed you expect from a premium smartphone. It removes the invisible layer of digital exhaustion that ruins your relaxation time, creating an environmental experience that feels entirely frictionless. But the real, terrifying dominance of this machine becomes clear the moment the screen goes dark and a film begins. True home cinema has always been an incredibly expensive, highly elitist pursuit. To get accurate color profiles, perfect frame rate synchronization, and uncompressed spatial audio depth, you used to need thousands of dollars in dedicated hardware calibration tools and massive, complicated media servers. The Apple TV 4K democratizes this entire elite experience through sheer computational mastery. By utilizing advanced color balance algorithms that communicate directly with the optical sensors on your iPhone, the device automatically calibrates your television's display matrix to match worldwide cinematic mastery standards within seconds. You are no longer viewing an inaccurate, overly saturated factory preset panel. You are looking